Hi, today we're going to give a quick mini tutorial on how to use the track to file option, which was added in UTEP Wells 2023.43. This option allows you to set up a set of tracks like this and then print them to a file with various options as far as the scale and the range with which you print, independent of the depths that you show here or the scale that you show here. To get this window open, go to File and select Save Track Display to File. And here you see you have the options on the top. You have the scale that you want it to be printed out at. And then underneath you have a variety of options for the depths that you want saved. You can do the current view, which in this case would do this whole view, the full depth, which would be the full depth of the data in the well. You can do the custom depth, and the values here are saved from access to access. You can just do the modeling interval, or you can do a formation zone. And here you have a list of the formation zones available. And you also have the option of either using the scale that you have up here or setting scale to zone, in which case it will make a one-page printout of just that zone. And notice that all of these, they show you the range that each of them will represent. So, for instance, if we change this one, it shows you over what range that will cover. And so, for the initial, I'm going to show you a few quick examples. For the initial one, I'll show you a formation zone with a scale to zone. So here you can see we have these tracks set up, and we have a gas sands zone here in the middle over this region here. And we're going to click Write to File. Actually, I'm going to cancel that because I forgot I wanted to click Scale to Zone in this case. Okay, so now we'll click File. And for this one, I'll use a PDF just to show that we can do that. You just pick whichever type of file that you want, and based on the extension, it will create that type of file. And so I'll go ahead and replace the one that's there. And you can see that this extends this to temporarily to the size of the gas sands region. And then it writes the file. Just wait for the wait bar to finish. If the wait bar is taking too long, you can hit cancel. That might be the case if you hit the full well and you decide that it's taking too long, you could cancel it. And so then if we go and decide to look at this one, to go into the D here, and we'll just pick the last one that was made. And you can see that it did just what we said. It just extended the gas sands to be the size of the full page, and with whatever scale was set for that. Now, other options, modeling interval or custom depth. So let's select, for instance, custom depth. And here, let's say we're going to do from 9300 to 9400. So this is a little bit bigger than the modeling interval. And we want to have a much higher resolution here. So we'll pick 1 to 5. So every foot on the screen will be 5 feet in real life. And since we're going 200 feet, that might be too high a scale for this demo. So we'll pick 1 to 20. So now when we write the file, this time we'll do a PNG. And you can see that now it steps through every, however many, in this case, it needed 14 steps to make this full range from 9300 to 9500. And now if we open this up, and last one. Here it is. And now you can see that this one, it gave us the full range from 9,300 up at the top. So it shows all the headers up at the top, just like you have displayed. It starts at 9,300 and then it just keeps adding pages until it gets down to 9,500. And so that's it. Should be pretty easy to use. Hope you enjoy it.